Hello and welcome back. Today we're bringing you a 2026 construction update on the Arches and Montilla neighborhoods, both currently being built by Lennar here at Tesoro Highlands and Valencia of Santa Clarita. Approaching the neighborhood from the south in March of 2026, we can see that construction is progressing nicely. Many homes are sold and occupied, while others are still available for purchase. As progress continues, we're getting a clear sense of how this portion of the community will come together once fully built out, and we'll be back with a final update once the homes are complete. This video is brought to you by your local real estate team, Matt and Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. As shown on the map, Arches and Montilla are located in the upper portion of Tesoro Highlands and will be gated together with Avila, Altamonte, and Bellaterra, forming one larger neighborhood setting and creating a secure environment tucked into the scenic hillside. The homes here are quite large, typically ranging from approximately 3,400 to just over 4,600 square feet. Each comes with a 2 or 3 bay garage, at least 4 bedrooms, up to 4.5 bathrooms, a spacious bonus room, and generously sized yards, some with lovely mountain views. As we tour the models, you'll notice the main living areas on the first floor showcase open concept layouts, modern kitchens, a dining room, media room or office, convenient powder room, and most plans include a downstairs bedroom with a connected bathroom. Upstairs, you'll find the primary bedroom and bathroom, secondary bedrooms and bathrooms, a laundry room, and a versatile bonus room, perfect for multiple uses. Also, 2 of the models include multi-gen spaces. Residents of Arches and Montilla will also have access to The Retreat, a planned recreation area designed to serve all of Tesoro Highlands and currently expected to be completed in the summer of 2026. By the way, there is an annual Mello-Roos. If you're considering buying a new home here or in any other community, reach out to us before visiting or signing up with the builder. Having us represent you ensures that your best interest is protected throughout the process. For a complete guide to Tesoro Highlands, including home listings, community amenities, nearby schools, and local conveniences, visit our website at gregoryrealestategroup.com. There, you'll also find detailed guides and videos on nearly every community in Valencia and throughout all of Santa Clarita. Thanks again for joining us, and should you need assistance with buying or selling a home, feel free to reach out. And remember, when you work with us, there's never any sales pressure, ever. See you in the next one. Bye now.